Hello friends, this is CA Tanu Rastogi from Text Pyramid. In this video, we are going to know all about the recently announced LLP Settlement Scheme 2020. Government has introduced a settlement scheme for LLPs, which is a kind of amnesty scheme for those LLP holders who have not complied or defaulted in their form filing requirements under LLP Act. The success story of LLP, or the reason why LLP is generally viewed as an alternative to company, is due to the fact that it involves less compliances. But it was noticed that a large number of LLPs have for some or the other reasons defaulted in filing their LLP forms, and now they would have to pay penalty for filing these forms, which can be quite hefty along with the regular fees of these forms. This may act as a deterrent and hold them back from being a compliant LLP. Therefore, government has come up with this amnesty or settlement scheme so as to give these LLPs another chance to make their errors good and file all their not yet filed forms without any penalty. On 4th March 2020, MCA first introduced this scheme through General Circular number 6/2020, which had reduction in penalty fees and was initially for 4 forms. Later, in wake of COVID-19, on 30th March 2020, MCA issued revised circular for LLP settlement scheme through General Circular number 13/2020, wherein it announced a big relief of complete waiver of penalty, and it was for whole lot of forms. Just a review of the original and revised circular. Earlier, the scheme was valid up to 13 June 2020, while through revised circular of 30th March 2020, it has now been extended up to 30th September 2020. Earlier, benefit was only reduction of additional fees to Rs 10 per day of default, subject to maximum amount of Rs 5,000 per form, but later extended to complete waiver of additional fees. As we see earlier, the scheme was only for form number 3, 4, 8 and 11, while later it was extended to forms 5, 12, 15, 22, 23, 27, 29 and 31, which are also now included in the settlement scheme. So, who can apply for this scheme? Defaulting LLPs. Defaulting LLPs are those LLPs who have defaulted by not filing their forms on the due date, and these defaults or their forms are still pending to be filed. This scheme shall not apply to those who have already applied for striking of their name in form number 24 and their application is pending with ROC. Penalty shall be waived under this scheme for all the forms whose filing dates are up to 31st August 2020. Why MCA has introduced this scheme? What is the purpose behind introduction of LLP settlement scheme? Since the scheme provides complete waiver of additional fees, definitely it's going to reduce the financial burden on defaulting LLPs. This scheme provides the benefit of filing all pending forms, which enable the defaulting LLPs to make a fresh start and as compliant company. The scheme also provides immunity from penal proceedings like penal proceedings for late submission and non-submission. It has to be noted that relief is against delayed filing, not for violation of law. Government has yet again shown its intentions to promote ease of doing business. Somewhat it is a relief to businessmen in this time of COVID-19 virus, as it provides a longer time to comply with this scheme. It provides sufficient time to you to file all your pending forms till 30th September 2020. Now let's see which forms are covered under the scheme. Here is a complete list of the forms on which this scheme is applicable. Form number 3, 4, 5, 8, 11, 12, 15, 22, 23, 27, 29, 31. This is a complete list of the forms on which this scheme is applicable. What are the benefits of this scheme? Complete waiver from additional fees. LLP is not required to pay any additional fees, only normal fees is payable. So it is a golden opportunity for defaulting LLPs to file their pending forms without paying any additional fees. The scheme also provides immunity from criminal prosecutions to the defaulting partners. All LLPs have option to make their default good by filing all their pending forms and start as compliant entity. What is the effective date for this scheme? The scheme shall remain in force for the period 1st April 2020 to 30th September 2020. Defaulting LLPs have the option to file their forms in this period. It is to be remembered that this is a one-time waiver, so if defaulting LLPs fail to file their pending forms within this period, then they will miss this golden opportunity and may be liable for criminal prosecution for the pending defaults. So friends, here are some FAQs regarding the scheme. For better understanding, let's discuss them. First, can deactivated KYC be updated in this scheme? Yes, AMC has given exemption to the deactivated DIN to file DIR3 KYC without the payment of any fees and filed their pending forms. Is defaulting company required to execute any indemnity bond to opt for the scheme? No, defaulting LLP is not required to execute any bond to opt this scheme. Third, if the status of LLP is defunct or strike off, can LLP opt for this scheme? No, as only the active LLPs can avail the scheme. In fact, even the LLPs who have filed an application for striking off also cannot opt the scheme. Fourth, what about the entities who have already paid additional fees? No refund shall be granted to them as the scheme is notified in view of COVID-19. Fifth, if LLP has applied for striking off in Feb 20, can LLP withdraw a strike off application? Since there is no procedure available for withdrawal of Form 24, although if form is not approved, LLP may approach the jurisdictional ROC for cancellation of the form so that the status of LLP gets marked to active and relevant filings can be made. So friends, this was all about LLP Settlement Scheme 2020. Hope this information has been useful to you. If you have any further doubts or any other queries regarding the topic, then leave your comments in the comment box. We'll surely get back on it. We'll keep bringing you similar taxation and other business related updates. So stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.